Hi, I'm Ross and welcome to the Gastronomer. Today we're making super simple but super tasty gluten-free mozzarella sticks. The trick? We're not going to use mozzarella at all. I've actually picked up these two cheeses from the Tropical company. One is called Grillin Cheese and one is called Queso de Freir. I'm not sure if that's a technical Spanish term, but what it translates into is cheese for the fryer. The first step is pretty darn simple. Just cut the cheese into any size and shape that you want. I've tried both sticks and nuggets, and I prefer the sticks. It gives a nice crunchy exterior and a nice ooey and gooey interior. Now, if you don't have the cheese from the Tropical company, I suppose you could use any prepackaged whole milk mozzarella. So it's time to get our fry on. I've heated up my deep fryer to 350 degrees. If you don't have one, you could use a cast iron skillet or a Dutch oven with a thermometer, or you could just pick one up. I'll put a link below. I'm gonna fry these for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're golden brown. These are looking pretty good, so let's take them out. Alright, we've waited long enough. Let's plate these and eat these. By far the best step. Look at those golden brown cheese sticks. I like to serve them with a little sriracha mayonnaise. Enjoy!